All right, Dowsing Chef here. I'm going to show you the best vegan, raw, whatever sauce ever. Okay, we've got half a cup of sunflower seeds. We're going to do a quarter of an onion. I'm taking that bigger quarter, just roughly chopping it because I'm going to get the stick blender and do my thing with it. So a quarter of an onion. Half a cup of sunflower seeds, quarter of an onion, juice of a lemon. Oh, this one's got seeds in it. The other ones didn't. Oh well. I'm really not too bothered. You guys know me. Take out what you can see. The other trick is to do it like this, or you can just do it like that. Juice of a lemon. This is really all just to sight and to taste, but the key ingredients here are raw onions, lemons, and sunflower seeds. And you can make it the consistency of a dip or a spread or a sauce. But I want every last drop of lemon juice because it's the last one I got. All right. So, juice of a lemon. If you like the tang, juice of 2 lemons. But you'll love this so much, and you'll want, if you do, get in the kitchen, you want to make this one all the time, and you'll just get your own little twist. This doesn't qualify as low fat, unfortunately. Some people will disagree. I'd say it's lower fat than a lot of other things. I'm going to put some water in. I've got 200 mils here. We're going to see how much we use, but I'm just going to cover it enough so I can do this. All right, basically blend the heck out of it until it all splatters everywhere and makes a massive mess. But that's it. We're going to season it and then we're done. Okay, something like this, you want to season it really well. A couple of big fat pinches. That's it. I'm going to give it a taste. It tastes like really cheesy. And the raw onions are really strong. It's so good. You got to try it. Let it rest for a while. It's even better the next day. That onion flavor kind of calms down. It's not so potent. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite sauce. Okay, thanks so much. See you at the next one.